Hello everybody. Welcome back to another video from Planet Random. Okay, as you guys see, I got this from Amazon for about $22 about a week ago. I didn't open it, so let's open it together and see and what it is about. So, see the packaging. It said TAKSTAR SGC-598 recording microphone, and the rest is Chinese or Japanese or whatever it is. In a bag also, a couple future and a tag from Amazon, of course. So let's open it up and see what we have here. Alright. Yeah, the package came without any seals or any other thing. As you guys see, it came with a nice tag. It's like casing from rubber inside. It looks like a rubber, but it's material. The cloth. It came manual. It's English. Yep, that's it. It's only English. Good. Piece of foam. These are, I believe, they call them some kind of nose reduction stuff. I don't know if the camera can zoom it. And this is a product. Case is empty, of course. There's moisture detector or whatever it is. Alright, so this is the actual microphone. Plastic. It feels like a cheap plastic. Let's take the foam out. This foam used for outdoor. Yep, there's no battery on it. It's the battery spot. Made in China, of course. I gotta grab battery and put it in and test it. So this is basically just like open box review, see what's come inside it and what's not. And another video, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hook it up to my Sony Alpha 6600 and try to do a comparison without the microphone or with microphone, if I can put this piece back. There you go. Oh, nope. Alright, let's see how this works. Did I get it? No, I guess. Okay. The good thing with this is has the screws right here, 2 screws. Actually like 4 screws at the bottom too. You can see right here. You can customize it how this microphone goes forward and backward. And these are those plastic ones I'd show you earlier. Those. So these are like a different ones. If you see, it is a little bit of movement, but not that much. I get that's for nose reduction stuff is. And this is complete plastic. There is no nothing to it. Alright, TAKSTAR SGC-598.